How to hire Ukrainian software developers successfully in 2021. By ProCoders. As the world becomes more interconnected and evolves into a more closely knit global community, the nature of work is changing. Software development is one of the few roles that have almost entirely caught on the remote work style. Ukraine has 20,000 IT specialists graduate from its numerous institutions every year. Ukraine is the top European country by the number of engineering graduates. Hire offshore development company. Offshoring is a model of outsourcing when a company sources talent from overseas. Its contrast is nearshoring, where the vendor and the client company are located in different countries but which are close. Advantages: round-the-clock development. Hiring software developers in Ukraine or any country with a different time zone from your country ensures that work continues round-the-clock development both from the offshore developers and your in-house team. That transforms into a faster time to market. Hiring flexibility. You can quickly introduce an addition to your development team at any time. In contrast, hiring an in-house developer comes with additional efforts and costs in recruiting, onboarding, etc. Disadvantages: time zone difference. When you hire software developers in Ukraine or anywhere else, the differences in time zones may complicate project delivery if one side's working hours or another's bedtime. Language and communication. It is impossible to communicate appropriately when the employer and the developers don't speak a common language, not even a popular language like English, the most widely spoken in the world. Hire outstaffing company. Outstaffing is different from outsourcing, though they are often confused, especially since both relate to an agency supplying services. When you outsource a project to an agency, the agency becomes responsible for everything concerning the project, including providing staff and necessary infrastructure. Hire freelancers. If you have a small project or a small part of an ongoing project for which you lack adequate talent, hiring an individual freelancer may be the best option for your company. You can find a Ukrainian software developer on popular freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer.com, Fiverr, etc. Recruiting agency services. Unlike outsourcing or outstaffing agencies, a recruiting agency does not have its talent pool. It only helps you source talents, according to your specifications, from the regular bank by matching you to a recruiter, so you don't have to do the work. On the other hand, developers provided by outstaffing companies are in the same employ as those agencies. Cost to hire Ukrainian software developers. Another reason why hiring software developers in Ukraine is a popular decision is because of the low cost. Often, people associate low price with poor quality. However, this is not the case with hiring Ukrainian software developers. How to hire Ukrainian software developers, our advice. ProCoders has garnered experience in software development for years. Our suggestions have helped clients scale their development processes. We're confident that our advice in this section would be helpful to you too. Determine the structure of your team. Software development has never been a one-person job. It's good to find a Ukrainian software developer, but consider how it would impact the rest of the team. Conclusion: when looking to hire software developers, Ukraine is an excellent choice because it is like an extensive repository of talent. Also, ProCoders is among the top Ukraine development agencies providing skilled and vastly experienced developers. Subscribe our channel and read more about how to hire Ukrainian software developers successfully in 2021 at ProCoders blog.